Yeah. Shizzy be that. Riot to that. And we on some legendary shit. And we on some legendary shit. Once again, no games, yo. Sweet coon fly nigga, dope dish and get a pickup. You lacking the ability to fly like Piplup. This young legend is a real ground shaker. An earthquake turning all your regions to a crater. Battling with y'all leaves me too bored. I'll put your tail on your head like Mewtwo's new form. In other words, I'll rearrange your body cause my style share code. One hit is a Hami Agi, wit sharper than the blades of a scyther. Pipe game, horn drill, your broad one-nighter. Unknown fighter, you a known biter. Super fang on my steez, you in the binders no tighter. Vanilla shots, my pen just shows I'm a cold writer. Pockets on Waylord, kicks leave your neck on. When I black it's 4-4 shocking. Zekrom, a dragon, in fact face off with this Curum. No face off and there's no way to cure them. You ain't no dawn, I'll leave you so gone, so calm. As I switch up like Rotom, I'm all the rage, no safe when I'm attacking fam. Your trainer will faint if you thinking you can stand a chance. Shit ain't zen but I pass it to the Manitan.
Okay, back, bitch, get hit with all of that, it make you backflip, you backlip. That's the quickest way to get your ass kicked. Niggas know we changed the game, often spoken up is great, but all these haters know my name and they get in line to hate. That shit don't affect me, I'm hard body, crash awake, eliminating all you wrote is bibber rails, eradicate. To exclaim, except for the number of fans on the page, ain't shit changed. Still the same nigga and I still talk a big game. It's strange how all my hits are critical. It's pitiful, you making easy game look difficult. I'm cruising, on tempo, avoiding confusion, making music trainers duck from the string shots that I'm shooting. Attack raising, soldier dancing, Ruby, my flow's advancing, glancing next to trainers laughing, get swept by my mansions. I ain't buying it. You city niggas out here trying to sell a Don. Mean look, Paris on you, leave them in, I kill them all. Boy, knock it off, your items gone. Do you hear me knocking that bitch? You ain't going anywhere. My flow is on Wobbuffet. I eat a nigga dreams like a dark cry. Superpower beat a nigga up like a Weavile. Battle me, I add you to my body bag archive. Running through these trainers, all these battles on my hard drive. Feel about that Poké like bitch, make no mistake. You hating but steady mirroring every move that I make. You can't see your reflection with all these bricks that I break. It's not a Pokemon ability when I make your soul levitate.
Yeah, wet Shizzy, wet Shofu, and now you got Mac. I was on my dick cause I look like Gary, you know what I'm saying?
Bitches Mac Houston, introduced now you know. Got a girl in my room, shaft in the hand like Cubone, cause she on it, I'm a dog. Shit just caught us the hound to blow it, I keep that strong tree. Shit will call us Sudowoodo. Shit that I'm blowing in my eyes, look with the Brox. And I feel like him with Jenny, cause you know it's fuck the cops. Drinking so much liquor, got hydro pumps of rock. Your girl catch that mega horn if I path there across. Well you soft as Team Rocket, here to make a killing. You step up, get softwood, it be like Chancy healing. Haters making up roars, I'm soundproof, don't get shit. Intimidate theory and Landover's fear this. Fuck a hater, make the shit really clip a flame to that monkey ass. Turn them to a Simmer's like a show from KO. Got so many bitches here, they get wet, then get ghost like a jealous in a pit.
Man, this shit easier than the first gym bag.
Shit talkers get inferno, guarantee that ass burnt. Talking when we ain't ask you, gon' end up with a fracture. Tryna throw hands with him, my jam gon' fuck up your head. Boy step up, get put down on hush mode like Red. Or Arcanine and Blastoise, put a pair of shots to your neck. Home grind lick with a squirt, you'll be a pair of sections, you dead. Mash up with Shizzy, nah, we won't never quit. Fucking ain't some red candies, this that next level shit, bitch.